Android-powered tablets are about to get a lot more competitive with Google's updates to ChromeOS. In its latest iteration, version 64, Chromebooks are now equipped with essential tablet-oriented features. These include multitasking through split-screen capabilities. The Google Pixelbook exemplifies a budget computing option popular amongst students. Image Google. The ChomeOS and Android teams' close collaboration over the past years have made the latter a real choice for tablet and portable options. It had produced Android app compatibility and user interface enhancements that have made it easier for these devices to be used in tablet mode. A focus on touch input on ChromeOS also augments tablet mode on mobile devices, especially on Chromebooks that have been the primary focus of ChromeOS. With the overwhelming success of the Pixel lineup by Google, it is an enticing idea to see a Pixel-branded tablet, a convertible device, at the upcoming Google I/O this year. Only time will tell. Chromebook ChromeOS Google.